Automation testing, Jawad Point. In the earlier article on software testing, we learned that software testing is classified into two types of testing, which are manual testing and automation testing. What is automation testing? Why do we perform automation testing? Manual testing versus automation testing. Automation testing methodologies. Automation testing process. Test case execution is the sixth phase of automation test life cycle methodology, ATLM. What are different challenges faced during the automation testing process, and how to overcome them? It is essential to quickly deliver the change test environments that automated testing requires, measure them up, execute the tests, to make sure that the success while testing in the cloud. Automation testing types. The first test performed by tester on newly revised software is called functional testing, which verifies all the software functions features per user requirement. When some changes are made to the code of software or application, it needs to be tested to determine whether the software is working as before the change. For this purpose, testers use automation regression testing to automate scripts, applications of workflows, plans and other activities. In data-driven testing, automation is inbuilt and very effective due to the few facilities provided, like the reusability of code. Change in the script doesn't affect the test cases, and this testing can be carried out in the phase of the software development cycle. Automation testing tools. The licensed tools include various features and approaches as compared to the open source tools. It is used to test several types of specific applications such as web, Windows, Android, iOS, .NET, VCL, and Java. To get more information about the SOAP UI tool, refers to the following link, https://www.jawadpoint.com/soapui. It can be associated with many devices such as TestNG and Junit to manage the test cases and generate the test reports. Note: as we know that Selenium WebDriver can only test the web application, but on the other hand, the Sikuli tool can test the web-based as well as window-based applications. It has an inbuilt run as function that helps in executing any external program using some outside user. JMeter is one of the most significantly used open-source non-functional automation testing tools. Some of the significant attributes of the JMeter tool are as follows. Advantages of automation testing. The cost of automation testing is less than manual testing because it requires a few human resources. Disadvantages of automation testing. Some myths about automation testing. Overview. It is the best approach to execute a test case suite, which helps us enhance test coverage, efficiency, and performance speed in software testing. PrevNext.